Hello everyone, it's been a minute. Matthew Simmons here. We're going to do another tie knot. It's been a while. We're bringing them back. So this is a new knot here. This is going to be called the DOW knot. So let's get started. So as usual, this is my left side, this is my right. This is at the belt line, which is pretty standard for all of my knots. We'll just come in and put in a fold. Whatever you want to do is fine. So we'll come over and we'll do this right here. And then we'll come around like this. We're going to fold this in half, come around like this, and then we're going to come up like this. So we have this, and then we're going to come around again like so. And do this again. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to have it flip it like this, and then I'm going to just push it through. Like this, and then open it up. And then the rest of this will just tuck under, or really this tie is stiff enough. You want a stiff tie, kind of like, well, I don't want to say stiff, somewhat stiff, firm tie, to where it can just kind of hold in place. Now you're going to have to play with this because this is what we did is we made the letter D. So there's your, and this right here is just hold it in place and add extra decorative elements to it. Actually, I do want to tuck that down. So there you have the DOW knot. Hope you enjoy. Oh, no, style, my friends, your fear if you want to be made. Catch you next time.